show you how to create molecules using the molecule builder. So here is the website. You should come into this one here. This is the introduction. It goes through the fact that you've got molecule builder mode and free experiment mode. All of the yellow ones we'll be doing using molecule builder mode, and all of the blue ones on your table will be doing free experiment mode. So we'll go to molecule builder, and here are a bunch of choices for you. Now the first one you have to do is methane, but I'm actually going to go down to water and show you how to do water. Alright, so we press water. All of a sudden your atoms for water come there. You can move them around like this. You can't rotate them, but that's okay because they do that for you. So you can put them close to each other and then you just link them like that, and they show off. You can keep it over here if you want, and you can link them from there too. When you think you've got the configuration correct, you can move it around if you need to, and you just press the little green arrow to check your answers. Congratulations! So it'll tell you whether or not all your electrons have been bonded, and compare your molecule to this stick diagram to see if the structures match. Now they both match, so we know that we've got that correct. What I will then do is you take a screenshot of this and drag it into your prac. Resize it so that it's a bit small. So that's how you do all of your yellow ones. Now, how do you do any of the free experiment ones? If you make a mistake, at any stage during this, you can just press reset molecule. It gives you this warning, but don't worry, it's not that hard to redo them. So you can just press continue and they go back to this. Yeah, so let's just show you why that might be helpful. So say you're building ethanol, and you do something like this, yeah? So you put all of your hydrogens around a carbon, and then you're going to put an oxygen over here, and a hydrogen here, and a hydrogen here. Yeah, and I can see that I've got these two here. I go to check it. There are still unbonded electrons available. Now, you can't drag these off. You have to reset to get the whole thing to work. So if you make a mistake, you do have to reset the whole molecule. Alright, so that's how you do all of your yellow molecules. Let's have a look at how you do a blue one. So this is the free experiment stage. They have the whole periodic table down here. If you accidentally click on one you don't want, you can drag it to the bin. But we're pretty much only going to be using these atoms here, and pretty much even then just the first 3 periods. So let's build hydrogen fluoride. So there was a hydrogen, so you just click on the element and it gives you one. And then I know I need a fluorine, so I click on that and I bring that out. And I'm just going to join those two together and make hydrogen fluoride. Now, I'm going to go check my answer. Congratulations, everything's been bonded. And if that's the case, I can screenshot that and put it into my prac sheet. And that's how you use the molecule builder.